In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos or videos on your iPhone. So if you accidentally deleted an important videos or photos and now you are feeling a little stressed, don't worry at all. I will show you how to get your video or photo back. First of all you have to do, just open the Photos app on your iPhone, then tap on Collections. Now scroll down a little and under Utilities you will see so many options here. Now all you have to do, you have to tap on Recently Deleted. When you open Recently Deleted, your iPhone will ask you to unlock it using your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. After unlocking, you will see all the videos and photos that were recently deleted. Just tap on the videos or photos you want to get back and then tap Recover and then again tap Recover to confirm. The moment you do that, your video will return to your main photos library. If you want to recover everything, then tap on Select, then three dots, then Recover All. And that's it. Just follow these steps. You can bring your precious memories back in just a few taps. If you'd like to learn more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.